for number 2, when I read the problem, this reminds me of our old growth problems. So I wrote the equation like we always would. Here's the starting amount. Here's the rate. I changed it to a decimal. And then I put the new amount is equal to what they started with times 1 plus the rate to the t power. So looking at the choices, I thought of putting the function I just wrote into the calculator first. Then the other 2 choices that were explicit were choice 1 and 3. So those are the only 2 you could put in the calculator. Choice 3 and 4 are recursive formulas. Can't put them in the calculator. Now when I go to the table of values, I'm able to see that neither choice 1 or choice 3 matches the growth that the function I wrote here does. The reason that the first one's not going to work is they didn't change the percent to a decimal. For choice 3, they started with the 0th term, but treated it like it was the first term. Now in choice 2 and 4 that are remaining, it has to be one of those recursive ones. They both start with the correct amount, but choice 2 has us adding, which isn't going to have it increase as a percentage. That's going to have it add 1.01 to the previous term each time, versus taking this and multiplying it by the rate of growth. So if I actually took to get that the next equals the 1.015 times the previous, it's going to give me the same thing. If I multiply that by 1.015, it'll give me the second number in this list, and so on.